Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, YB fam. We are here in the garden again. What's up, Batman? You gonna run up to me now? Of course. What's up, YouTube? We're back here working in the garden again, like I was saying. We're going to try to get the trellis up today on the back side of the garden over there. I'll show you guys in a minute. I have some scrap woods from my work, where I work at, and we're going to use those to screw to the outer fence there and go up and hopefully use some extra fencing that we had left over from making the outer border fence. So we're going to use that, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing that and everything as we go. So here we go. All right, so this is the scrap pieces of wood. They're somewhere around an inch by an inch. Not perfect, maybe an inch and an eighth, inch and a quarter, something like that by an inch. Some of them not, but they're not perfect. They're just scrap cut-offs from a big job we were doing. But what we got to do with these is these are really good Brazilian hardwoods. We got to pre-drill all of these, so I figured out the hole size I needed already there on an extra one. And these are probably overkill. They're 10 foot long, but we're gonna put them up anyway and see. I could always cut the top off. So yeah, we're gonna take that, screw those on the outside there on that back line, put them up, and put the extra welded wire fence like that up on them. Probably just zip ties or something, but we'll see what I got, and we'll make it work. Let's get to it. Alright, so we got them in. As you can see at the end, we got the poles in at least. That's what they look like attached. Just pre-drilled, and used the decking screw to go through into the 2x4s behind it. Nothing special, nothing fancy. We just pre-drilled the Kumaru a little bit bigger than the screw, so it really wasn't going into the screw, because the head on the decking screw is like that long anyway, so it really don't need to be tied into that. It just needs to go into the 2x4 really. So use that, and as you can see, got all four. So I think that I'm going to drill some holes. I got to get my ladder, but I think I'm going to drill some holes in the Kumaru in some spots to tie near the top anyway, to tie the fencing onto, to zip tie it onto. You can go through the hole. So I will set you guys up again, and here we go. So the way we mounted the fence to the post is drilling holes in the back, and we zip tied it. So it's kind of temporary. I will probably be adding more zip ties. It does lean a little forward because there is no bottom really. You guys probably can hear that woodpecker. So if you can see, it does lean a little forward. So I might put in some corner braces in between these two beds right there. Something just to push back on the fence a little bit. Probably will do that, probably off camera, but I'll probably get that done. But yeah, right now we just zip tied them up. Probably get some better zip ties. These are the thin black ones right now. So, but for now it will hold, and it'll already get it in place so that I can put my drip irrigation system in, which should be the next video. So you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about the project so far. And yeah, got plants to go in, as you can see. Got flowers coming up, flowers blooming. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, comment, subscribe down below. That's the best way to support the channel. And we will see you guys next time.